Welcome back to the Astrology Book. In our last video, we explored Aries' passionate love connections with the first 6 zodiac signs, from Aries through Virgo. Now it's time to continue the journey. But first, tell us in the comments, are you in love with an Aries? We'd love to hear your story. Okay, so Aries and Libra. There's a powerful initial attraction between these two opposites, for in certain areas, each supplies what the other lacks. For one, Aries' aggressiveness arouses Libra's sensual potential. Their love life may be unconventional. However, Libra really wants peace, quiet, and harmony, while Aries wants action and adventure. Both like social life, entertaining and pleasure, but both are restless in different ways. In time, Libra will look for someone less demanding, and Aries will find someone more adoring. Marvelous affair, poor marriage. Aries and Scorpio love can be a bonfire between these two. They're both physical, energetic, and passionate. Sexually, everything should be fine. It's the emotional side of the relationship they can't handle. Each has a forceful personality and wants to control the other. In the end, Scorpio's jealousy may prove the undoing. Aries' many outside interests make Scorpio feel insecure, and that brings out Scorpio's tyrannical streak. Aries won't take orders, and Scorpio will never take a backseat. This is an unstable partnership with a low ignition point. Aries and Sagittarius. Sagittarius is a perfect temperamental match for Aries. They're both active, spontaneous people who like socializing, have extravagant tastes in common, and enjoy the good life. There may be a little conflict because both are impulsive and brutally frank. Arguments can reach the boiling point. Aries' forceful sexual approach is not always playful, Sagittarius' style. However, they have wonderful senses of humor and enjoy each other's company. If they make it in the bedroom, they'll make it everywhere else. Aries and Capricorn. Aries' taste for innovation and experimentation may not please conservative Capricorn. Aries is restless, fiery, impulsive. Capricorn is ordered, settled, practical. Capricorn needs to dominate, and so does Aries. Problems also crop up over money. Aries is extravagant. Capricorn is security-minded. Oddly enough, the auguries are better for the long haul than the short. Aries' responsive sexual natura meets its match in Capricorn's deep-seated passions. And Capricorn's strength and endurance will in time win Aries' respect, Aries and Aquarius. They're well-suited temperamentally. Both are active, ambitious, enjoy a wide range of interests, and are equally eager for sexual adventure. Depending on whim, Aquarius may or may not let Aries take the lead. Both are independent, Aquarius even more than Aries, and Aries may at times feel neglected. Aries finds the Aquarian unpredictability exceeding, but also never feels entirely secure. However, with a bit of tact and understanding on both sides, this is a great affair that could turn into something even better. Aries and Pisces. Aries will draw Pisces out of that shell and in turn will be hypnotized by Pisces' seductive and mysterious sexuality. The boldness and confidence of Aries, plus Pisces' intuitions and fantasies, add up to an eventful union. Personality differences complement each other. Aries is self-assured and vivacious. Pisces is somewhat shy and easily led. Aries likes to be dominant. Pisces likes having someone to lean on. For a happy coupling, this requires only a little more tact on Aries' part. With Aries complete, our zodiac love journey has only just begun. Which sign should we explore next? Tell us in the comments. Which sun sign's love story do you want us to make a video on?